Addison from Grandpa George and Grandma Kathy. What do you think? What is this? Look. You got a little distracted? Can you show them how you shake your toy? Oh.
Oh, yeah. You like your new shaker, huh? There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job.
Puppies. They know that we like puppies. See the cute puppies? Look at this. Let me see this. Yes. Ooh. Addison, what is in here? Whoa! What is this?
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, mwah. You want to give it a kiss? Mwah. You want to see it? Say thank you, Grandpa George and Grandma Kathy, for all my nice gifts.
I think it's cute.
It is cute. Well, it's a puppet. We even talked about getting our puppet.
Right. She likes those.
Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Kathy. Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas. Can you wave? Addison. I'd wave at her. So she
Okay. Addison.
Addison, can you wave? Wave. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
She's a little distracted. Oh, there she goes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say love you. See you soon.